So computer, laptop or mobile, you need a keyboard, you need an input device, because you may be entering, say, text from A to Z, numbers 0 to 9, symbols, special characters or commands. So all these have to be given to your computer or computing device so that it can process and give you the result. So a keyboard in any of these devices will take these numerals or alphabets, special characters or even the commands. This is through keyboard. This is just a traditional conventional type of keyboard I am trying to depict here. But nowadays these have changed immensely. The design have changed. ASDF, QWERTY, this is the name. I'll just show you why this is ASDF. See, ASDF. So that is why it is called ASDF. The upper line you see QWERTY, CQWERTY. So this is how QWERTY and ASDF is the type of keyboard. Okay. So the things in different keyboard, the keys will be different in different position, but the action will be same. From F1 to F12, the topmost, if you see here, these are the function keys. The keys being labeled from F1 to F12, these are called function keys. So they have a specific function depending upon the program. So every program has different way of dealing, For example, you take any program, normally say MS Word, and you press F1 key, you hit F1 key. This F1 key pressing will give you the help document. So this F1 is normally used for invoking the help file of the application of the program. Okay. Normally F1 is help, but it may be in certain program, it may be for some other purpose. Control keys. What are these control keys? Let me show you. First of all, the control key is control key only. So we have a CTRL, control key we have. Okay. Then we have Alt, Shift. So we have a space bar, caps lock, tab. So these are all the control keys. Tab is space bar only, means 4 spaces. So wherever it is used, it will be, by itself it will work, or it will work in combination. If you say control, along with this control, if you press C, so whichever content you have selected, it will be copied to a, there is a board, you call it as a, in between. So it is pasted there, it is copied to the blackboard, and then once you press Control C with control, and in another document or in the same document, you press now Control with V together. So this content will be pasted here. So this is how the control is a control key, works along with other keys. Shift. See, every keys, if you see, there are certain keys have 2 symbols, 2 characters given. Okay. Say, then if you press Shift, the above character will be printed, otherwise the lower one. Caps lock, it will make this smaller to capital and capital to smaller. Like you are writing ABCD. If you press ABCD, then you type, it will be capital ABCD. Alt is also with, with different combination. Okay. Tab is 4 character. You see, enter is the biggest key, not the longest. If you are being asked what is the longest key, it's space bar. And which is the biggest one? It is enter, because it will be used everywhere. Basically, it's a command giving key. So enter or return, depending upon the system or brand you have, it will work. It basically, as I said, it works as a final key. Something you have written, say on WhatsApp you are messaging something, then you press enter, the message will be sent. Okay. So if you say you right click from a mouse a file, you come to delete the option, and then you press enter. What will happen? Enter will delete the file. You can do it by mouse also, but enter is for basically the final touch. Right? Again, it can take you to do the commands, and or if you want to confirm a task, that is the final touch it will give. Coming to punctuation key. Punctuation in English, what we have? We have colon, semicolon, question mark, the single quotation mark, and double quotation mark. So normally in programming we use, in programming language, all these are used in normal typing, MS Word, text document. Okay, you are going to write some book name or some quote, so you will give the double quotes. I'll just show you the punctuation marks here. These are the punctuation keys, and some of the keys have the upper and lower. So you press shift, the upper will come. If you don't press shift, the lower character will come, because there are keys which will have two characters at the same time. The shift will toggle you between these two. Now navigation key. Navigation is simply moving, going up, down, like this. So we have home, arrow keys, and page up, page down. These are navigation keys. So you need to move up, down, right and left in a document. Then you will use all these keys. Home and end keys, what they will do? They will move the cursor to the left or right end of the line of text. So there is a line of text, home and end will take you to the first and last. So if you see, these are the navigation keys. Okay, there are certain navigation keys above also. So page up, page down also is there. If you see on the top one, this is page up, page down. Okay, so it's basically navigates through your document so that you can go as per your will on your document. Then we have command key. Command keys, see, for example, you have A, B, C, D. Now you came here at C, the cursor. Now you press the insert key, you turn on the insert, and now you override this character. Right? If you delete it, this whole will be deleted. Backspace, if you put a cursor, the previous one will be deleted. Previous character will be deleted. Insert has to be turned on. Delete, backspace, they all will remove the text character. Okay. Delete where the cursor is, backspace the character which is previous to the cursor. So let me show you the command keys also. So if you see, these are the command keys. Okay, insert, delete. So this basically the key combination has navigation also and command also. So there are certain ways in which these keys can be used in a multiple way, depending upon the application, depending upon the app you are working. Okay. And there is a window key also. In a keyboard, you always see a window key. When you press this window key, the start menu will open. The start menu will contain of or consist of different options of the programs and also the shutdown, log off activity. Along